Alright, so today I'm going to show the proper way to get an excavator over a trench. This being a small little excavator, and this being for its size a pretty good sized trench. It's about a 24-inch trench. I use the M62 to dig it out just for time constraints, but I'll show the proper way to get over this with the mini excavator. Alright. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to flip around and get my blades turned around. I just like doing this so if there is a slip on the machine, it has the blade there to help stop it. So now I will go ahead and swing around. There we go. And be using my boom just as a support, so as it goes over I have something to catch the machine on. And now that I'm in this configuration, we're going to go ahead and essentially move backwards because we're in orientation of the machine blade, not the bucket. Alright, so here we go. So I'll go ahead and extend out as far as I can. There we go. I'm using the bucket at the same time that I'm pulling back, or going back, to be able to go over. I'm just going slowly for right now just to show the process. You don't have to do it quick. Watch your banks, make sure that you're not doing anything that's going to cause it to break it free. There we go. And we're almost over. Start settling the machine back down. Up just a little bit so I'm not tearing up that bank. Bring that blade down just to catch it. And we're starting to break out that bank. That's exactly what I was worried about. Alright, so we broke that bank out. Okay. Too big of a bank.